While Pablo Picasso was mostly known for creating artwork in the abstract style, he was also known to be a master of the use of color. During his lifetime, Picasso went through several phases of interest. These phases are called periods. Within each period, Picasso focused on certain things, like color. Picasso loved using color in his artwork. At one time, he focused on the color blue. During Picasso's Blue Period, he focused on the cool colors, with the color blue being the predominant color in many of his paintings. Picasso's Blue Period works of art were created before he began creating in the cubist style. Let's take a look at some of Pablo Picasso's artwork during this Blue Period. Notice how many of these works depict realistic portraits of people, still life paintings, and landscapes.